Can I use my Apple gift card to pay for a subscription or recurring payment within an app?
Hello there. Today, we'll be answering a popular question many Apple users have. Can I use my Apple gift card to pay for a subscription or recurring payment within an app? We'll break it down step by step to ensure you're clear about how to use your gift card to its fullest potential.
What is an Apple gift card?
First things first, an Apple gift card is a prepaid digital or physical card that you can use to purchase apps, games, music, movies, and much more from Apple's digital platforms like the App Store, iTunes Store, and even Apple's own services like iCloud.
Can you use an Apple gift card for in-app purchases?
Yes, absolutely. Once you've redeemed your Apple gift card, the balance is added to your Apple ID. This balance can be used for many things, including buying apps and making in-app purchases. The process is seamless and doesn't require you to take any extra steps once the gift card is redeemed.
Can you use an Apple gift card for subscriptions or recurring payments?
This is where it gets interesting. Yes, you can use your Apple gift card to pay for subscriptions and recurring payments within an app. When you redeem an Apple gift card, the credit amount is applied to your Apple ID. This credit is used as the primary payment method before any other debit or credit card registered with your Apple ID. In the case of subscriptions and recurring payments, your Apple ID credit will be used first before any additional charges are billed to your alternative payment methods. That's it. Now you know that your Apple gift card can indeed be used to pay for subscriptions or recurring payments within apps. Remember to check the balance of your Apple ID after redeeming a gift card to ensure you've got enough credit for your purchases and subscriptions. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the ins and outs of using your Apple gift card. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks for all things Apple.